What if I told you that you achieving your dream career is not just about hard work, but also about you visualizing your success first? Creating a career vision board could be a game changer for you. Visualization is one of the most powerful mind exercises that you can do. And most successful people, even if they don't create a vision board, they're visualizing their success mentally. But I myself love to create vision boards, whether that's in a physical form on a paper or in a digital form saved as the wallpaper on my phone. Creating a vision board has been game changing for me. I have been able to manifest the following things into my reality. Living in London, studying in London, being an entrepreneur, finding the man of my dreams and having a dream wedding, traveling the world, giving a TEDx talk, being a more confident speaker that I am today. All of these things were goals that I set for myself that I put on my vision board that have now manifested into a reality. I'm telling you from my own experience, this has worked wonders for me. I know that they are powerful and I know their potential. That's why I want to share the step-by-step guide with you of creating a vision board specifically for your career. I have created many vision boards in the past, but in today's video, I'm only going to be talking about creating a career vision board for yourself. Creating a vision board that only addresses the professional part of your life. Of course, your professional life has aspects of finances, education, academics, family life, a little bit of all of that in there. But the core essence of today's video is just focusing on our career. Hi my friends, my name is Mehar. I'm the career mentor that you were looking for, and I previously created a video on how to manifest your dream career that you all really love, and that's why this is a follow-on video from that where we will be talking about how you can create a vision board for your career specifically. I'm just so excited to be creating this video because I've gone in and got all the materials so that we can sit down together today and create that vision into a reality. As always, this video is going to be broken down into all these chapters. The first and foremost that I want to talk to you about is what is the purpose of a vision board. A vision board is just a graphical representation of all the goals that you have for yourself. Now, talking about from a career's perspective, it is all the goals that you want to achieve, all the milestones that you want to achieve. Maybe it's a dream job, maybe it's a dream car, maybe it's a particular company that you want to be working for, maybe it's a particular type of work that you want to be doing, maybe it's the clients that you want to be working with, whatever that may be for you. If you have more clarity towards your goals, you will be one step closer to achieving them. So a vision board is just a tool for you to clarify what are your goals, and once you know what your goals are, you will be motivated to achieve them. If you see your vision board on a daily basis, there is a greater chance for them to manifest into reality. And there are several studies that have been conducted that say that people who write their goals down are more likely to achieve them. So are you one of those who are just thinking about all the things that you want to achieve, or are you sitting down and actually writing those goals down and breaking them down into actionable steps? The golden mindset that I want you to have throughout this entire process of creating your vision board as well as looking at it every single day is that you have to believe that it's going to become a reality. You have to think, breathe and live it and feel it as if it's already true. I know it's easier said than done, but you have to talk about it as if it already exists right now. So you can say things like, I know I'm going to be an entrepreneur one day. I know that the right opportunity is coming my way. I know I'm going to work at Apple one day. I know that I'm going to be featured in Forbes one day. I know I'm going to be running the most successful career podcast in the world. Again, there are enough neuroscientists that have proved the people who visualize themselves successful are more likely to actually be successful. So for example, I know that my life is going to look completely different 1 year from now. Somebody who is a very successful career guru, somebody who is valued for their expertise, for their thought leadership, somebody who's the most successful podcaster in the career space. I want to be that, and I know that's something that I am going to achieve. I can feel it in my blood. I can feel it in my being. That already makes me one step closer to achieving them because I'm going to take actions towards making that a reality. So my homework for you is spend a few moments every single day meditating, spending time alone to visualize yourself successful. My husband Shashank doesn't sit and create vision boards for himself, but he constantly imagines himself in a successful place at work. That's why good opportunities come towards him, because firstly he visualizes himself successful and then he goes ahead and works hard towards those goals. So the first and foremost step that I want you to take is actually sit down and write down all your career goals. Short term, long term, possible, impossible, things you want to achieve in 6 months, 1 year, 5 years. Forget the timeline right now. Just write down every single thing that comes to your mind when it comes to your career. What is it that you want to be known for? What is it that you want your career, your life to look like? Be as specific as possible. Imagine you living it right now. I want you to get into the details of it right now. And I'll give you an example of how I've manifested this in the past. I knew that I'm going to work at KPMG one day, so I took out a post-it note and I wrote KPMG on it and put it on my desk. I've shared the story millions of times. But yes, that actually happened. I interviewed at so many companies, but I ended up working at KPMG because I knew that it was going to be my organization. It's going to be my dream job. It is going to be somewhere where I work. So you can be as specific as you want. So instead of setting a vague goal like getting a job, be specific as to which company you want to be working at and in which position. That will help you clarify your exact goal. The clearer you are about what you want to achieve, the less confused that you are, the faster the universe brings you that opportunity. The faster the universe delivers to you. Okay, after that, once you've written down all your goals, I want you to sit down and actually find images that can be a part of your vision board that align with each of your goals. Now, you can use any platform you like. You can use Pinterest, Google Photos, you can use magazines, you can use old photographs of yourself that can be a part of this vision board. You can add images, you can add quotes, you can add other people that you inspire to be like. Try to look for and find exact images that represent your career aspirations. Find images that are as close to what you're thinking your goal to be. For example, I've downloaded a photo of Emma Grede to be a part of my vision board. Now, Emma Grede is a very successful entrepreneur. She's an investor. She's somebody who is a public personality. I love the way she dresses and conducts herself in interviews. I aspire to be like her because I feel she's the epitome of success as well as of poise and femininity at the same time. I aspire to be like her. That's why she's a part of my vision board. I want to embody Emma Grede and then create my own version of her in my personality. Now, you can be even more specific with your images by photoshopping your photo in some of the other pictures that you find. So, for example, you can find a photo of somebody giving a TED talk, but you can add your face instead of that other person's face. Or you can get a picture of the Google team and add yourself in the Google team as well. You can be as specific, have fun with it. After you've collected all your images, save them and get these photographs developed, because today we are creating a physical vision board. If you want to create a soft vision board that is just a wallpaper on your phone or your laptop, I've done that in the past as well. You can just save these images, create a collage and put it as your phone's wallpaper, or even put it as the wallpaper of your laptop, somewhere that you can see it daily. For example, one of my biggest visions for 2023 was to get pregnant. So all over my vision boards was a successful pregnancy, me being pregnant, getting a pregnant photo shoot, a photograph of a sonogram, and of course my husband there with me, because no way did I want to do this alone. So it was important for me to add a partner in those images as well. You can be as specific as that. Once you have all your pictures, it's time to get to the fun stuff. So now I'm going to change the shot and we're going to sit together and create our career vision board for the next few years. Okay, now let's begin actually creating our vision board. Cheers, hot chocolate. I'm also going to put some nice motivational music in the background, so let me come back. It'll just help us increase our frequency. Good motivational music. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so these are all the photographs that I got them developed. I've got some quotes on here as well. Super excited. Okay, let's talk about the things that we need. Of course, you need all the images of your goals to add to your vision board. You need some sketch pens to add some color and some handwritten quotes if you like. You need obviously some tape, transparent tape, and some glue. You need a pair of scissors to be able to cut the images, and of course, you need a chart paper like this to stick all your images to it. Make sure the chart paper is a little hard so that you can probably just keep it behind your bed or even frame it if you like. And it can be as large as you like. And now let's begin. Okay, let us go through all these images and categorize them as per different goals. So for example, this is a 1 million YouTube placard for me. So this is social media related goal. This is Priyanka Chopra talking at the Forbes Summit. So again, it shows me as a thought leader, somebody who will be speaking at a Forbes event in the future. This is a vision of me having my own office one day. It shows that I will have a creative job, a creative kind of arm. I will be the creative arm of a leading organization, influential CEO, somebody who's paid to be herself. Again, this is a TEDx, me speaking on TEDx on stage. I've given a TEDx before, but that was in a virtual environment. So I definitely want to be speaking on stage. So this is again with the speaking goal. This is me flying private jet. I want to really experience that. So this is again a financial goal or like an experiential goal, but yes, it is related to work. So I'm going to categorize that. This is again flying first class. This is again a speaking kind of a opportunity. So I will just categorize that. I'm just going to sit and do that now. This is again me being featured on one of the top entrepreneurial startup magazines because I want to launch my own product one day, and that's what I'm working towards, but I want to be featured and recognized for my work. This is Emma Grede being featured on Business Traveler, again somebody I really look up to. This is about me winning an award for my work. Winning an award, again being influential. This is me walking the red carpet. I want to walk the red carpet in some capacity in the future. This is me having my own podcast studio. Oh my god, as I'm actually thinking about these, they actually feel so real right now. Again, I want to write a book one day, so this is related to me writing a best-selling book. Lots of like company talks that I want to do. I want to be speaking at Google, I want to be speaking at LinkedIn, at all these big companies. So a lot of like speaking event related photos that I have. Then yes, I want to be hosting some kind of networking events in the future. So again, that's related to networking. This is related to my following on Instagram. I want to have 2.1 million followers one day, so that's related to my YouTube goal of 1 million YouTube subscribers. I also wanted to add a lot of quotes. Like I said, you can have a quote in the center of the vision board that is actually your main theme for the vision board. So for example, this one is, I attract whatever I want. Sorry, I always get what I want. I'm a magnet for success. It flows through every area of my life. I'm successful. Money is constantly flowing in my life. This could be related to the money goal. Again, I want to be somebody who balances work with home. I talked about that in my previous video. So yes, wife, mom, and CEO. I don't want to be somebody who's just obsessed with work. I want to balance all aspects of my life. So yeah, I'm just going to go through all of these now and categorize them. I want to own a G-Wagon one day. That's been my dream since the last 10 years. I want to be somebody who gets funded for my ideas. So this is me pitching to VCs and actually getting funded. Here, getting funded. And here they're handing me their money. Again, like I said, I love Emma Grede and she's my inspiration behind this whole career related vision board. I want to have a very good team, a strong, effective team who helps me. I can't run this organization by myself. So yeah, a very good team that is a part of my entire, a very effective team that helps me achieve my goals. Again, being a very good leader, a place. I want to have a place of work that everybody loves coming to work on a Monday morning. 1 million again. I think I really want to reach 1 million. Features again. Like I said, I want to be a wife, a mom, and a CEO. So this is me and Shashank being a successful power couple. Him being successful in his career and me being successful in mine. Me balancing work with my baby Alana here. So me in my office with my baby. I did get a personal photo developed because that's important to me. So that's Shashank, me, and Alana. A lot of event related stuff. Okay, let's begin now. This is going to be fun. Now let's sit down and cut images and stick them all together. Okay, I spent a good amount of time putting everything in place, and now what I'm going to do is use some glue and some tape and just stick it all in place so that it doesn't move. I will also then see if I want to add some notes, some graphics with these sketch pens. And yeah, I think this has been a very, very fun process. I've really enjoyed it for sure. So let's go ahead and stick all of this now. Okay, oh my god, this was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed creating it with me. Please make sure to stick it somewhere that you can see it every day and let this be the motivation, the fuel that keeps you going. Okay, as I was creating this board, there were a lot of pictures that I couldn't use because they were anyway repetitive. I think I got the main ideas on here. Again, this is really personal and really private to everybody. If you want to share it with your friends and family, that's completely okay. But if you want to keep it personal and private and not share it with anyone, that's okay too. I am sharing some of my goals here with you because there's not everything here and some of the things I'm just not comfortable talking about. But hopefully you're going to see my journey of seeing all this become a reality, because it will. It will. I feel it. I know it. And as I finished creating it and I showed it to my husband Shashank, he was like, all of this is going to happen. You know, he's so sweet. That's the kind of partner you should be with. Someone who believes in you and your dreams even when you don't. So yeah, don't be afraid to share it with people who are close. If they are your well-wishers, they will support you and they will want all of this to be a reality for you as well. I'm just so happy right now. Okay, that was really, really fun. I hope you enjoyed making a career vision board with me. Now that we've created it, I want you to actually do these few things. Firstly, You need to look at it every single day. You have to keep your vision board somewhere in front of you so that you can see it. It will motivate you. It will help you reinforce your goals. It will help you keep yourself committed towards achieving them. The next thing is there's a big difference between wishing and doing. Of course, your vision board has to be visible to you. Even if your vision board is visible to you and you don't take any action towards it, nothing is going to happen. You will not be able to move the needle. So I want you to look at your vision board every single day, and I want you to break down each of those images of goals into actionable tasks that you can set for yourself. Of course, you need to set timelines also for yourself. Now, this again is a self-imposed goal. You are creating this vision board for your success, for yourself. So you have to be your own accountability buddy. You don't want to be 60 one day when all your goals become a reality. You want them to happen now, and for that you have to take action. So for example, on my vision board, I have an image of me having a successful podcast. And just last week, I had a conversation with somebody who is a podcast producer, and they're going to help me launch my podcast. So you see, I have this goal, I have this vision, but I'm also taking actions every single day to get myself one step closer to achieving them. The most important thing that I'm going to leave you with is that you have to embody being successful. You have to embody each of these goals, that they already exist in your life, that it is going to happen no matter what. If you don't think it's possible, how will the universe reward you with it? Creating a vision board is like creating a story with you, the main character. This is your life. This is your movie. You can create it the way you like. As Walt Disney says, if you can dream it, you can do it. Just look at it every single day and take actionable steps towards that. Just look at it every single day. It will help you feel committed. It will help you feel motivated. It will help you feel energized. It will remind you of the purpose of why you're working, why you're applying for this job, why you're studying at this university. Whatever you think about on a consistent basis is something that manifests into reality. If you keep thinking negatively that you won't be able to achieve these goals, that is what the universe is going to give you. But if you think on the other hand that yes, I am somebody who's capable, I am somebody who's going to be the best of the best, then that's what the universe is going to give you, because you treat yourself as the best. So the universe will also treat you as the best of the best. Start taking steps to already feel each of these goals into existence. I hope this video was fun and useful. I'd love to see images of your career vision board. Please do share it on your Instagram stories and tag me at MSBVision. I want to add that this is a vision board that we have created specifically for the career aspect of your life. But if you want to create it for your love life, if you want to create it for your academic life, if you want to create it for your financial goals, you can create it for anything that you like. Or you can even create an overall vision board of how you want your overall life to look like. But in this video, since this is a career channel, I have just focused on the career aspect of your life. I hope you had fun making this with me. I'll be back soon with another one, but until then, keep visualizing yourself to be successful. I hope to see you soon. Bye.